Alright guys, my name is Aditya Karadkar and welcome back to the Brainstorm Codings. In this video, I want to talk to you about creating a pointer to another pointer. Well, that sounds confusing, but we can do that in Golang. So a pointer to a pointer is also known as the double pointer, and we create a pointer variable to store the memory address of another variable, but we can even create another pointer variable to store the memory address of a pointer variable. So you can see we have this variable a declared over here, and we have this pointer variable which holds the memory address of this variable a. Now we also have accessed the memory address of the pointer variable s. So this is the printline function which we have used to get to know the memory address of the variable s. Now let's declare another pointer variable which will hold the memory address of the pointer variable s we have. Let's use this var keyword, then the name of the variable will be s1, and when we declare the double pointer or a pointer to a pointer, we use two dereferencing operators. We use the address operator to get the memory address, and this time we want to have the memory address of the pointer variable s. So let's see what we have in the variable s1. So the value in the variable s1 is, let's see what we have. So we have this hexadecimal number which is the value stored in the variable s1, and if you see, we also have the same value which is the memory address of the variable s. So you can see we have declared the pointer variable, the double pointer, to store the memory address of variable s, and we have it here. Now let's see what is the memory address of this double pointer s1. Let's use this printline function again. So the memory address of s1 is, use the address operator and then the name of the pointer variable. If I run this code, so the memory address of s1 is this hexadecimal number. Now let's see the value which is stored in the variable s using the double pointer we have declared here. So the value stored in variable s is, we use the dereferencing operator and then the name. So if I run this, I get to see the value stored in the variable s, and the variable s holds the memory address of variable a, and we have this memory address of variable a which is the same as the value stored in variable s, and we have accessed this value using the double pointer. Now if you want to check the value stored in the variable a, then we can use it twice. And now if I run this code, so the value stored in variable a is 500. So we have accessed the value stored in the variable a using the double point, and we can even change the value stored in the variable a using this double pointer, use this dereferencing operator twice in the name of our pointer variable. Let's change the value to 1000. Now if I run this code, so you can see the value stored in variable a is 500 because we have used this printline function to get the value stored in variable a before changing the value. So now if I copy this one, print it here, let's use the name of variable a. Now if I run this code, now the value is 1000 and before that the value was 500. So you can see we can use the double pointer or a pointer to the pointer to store the memory address of the pointer variable, and we can change the value stored in this variable a using the double pointer, and we can even get the value stored in this pointer variable using the double pointer. So that's all about the double pointer in Golang, or a pointer to another pointer in Golang. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.